Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to beat the egg boss in Buildboat's new update. When you get all the eggs, you can press eggs. There's a button on the side of your screen that says eggs, and you can teleport and you can do the egg boss. So Tap is also going to be helping me. Okay, let's get started. So first you're going to want to come over here. It says don't push, but to start it you have to push it.
This is like that game. Please don't push the button.
But
People always push the button.
okay, so the first.
Wait, I'm just trying to get it.
Oh yeah, he jumped on the side. But
wait, okay, so here's the first obstacle. Lasers. Just knock over them like the usual services of that.
Yeah.
Also, if all of you die during the egg process, you will not respawn.
Yeah. Okay, next. Well, that wasn't that hard, but it gets harder.
Yeah.
It's like, oh.
I know.
This one you just have to find the holes, but they change. Every time it goes back and forth, it changes.
I really hate this.
Okay.
Oh, that guy died.
Okay, next is you have to go, make sure you're not touching the red.
Yeah.
It's gonna sink. Then you have to keep walking, because they're gonna start sinking. But there's also gonna be lasers.
Yeah.
I try not to go too fast, just in case.
We both done this challenge before.
Oh, I got hit.
And the rewards are kind of good.
Okay. But then they got two lasers. It's even harder.
It's weird. This game seems to be hard.
And then
Wait.
they're gonna despawn soon. As you see, they respawn and everything goes back to normal, and you heal. So don't worry if you're at red health. You will. Okay, next is Next is the one, they're like spikes and
they're crushing things.
Yeah. So as you can see, if they're red, then they're about to. If they're red, then they're about to crush you.
Yeah.
I kind of memorized it. And you're gonna want to keep doing that. Yeah, they'll never be the same every time. They'll never do the same twice in a row. Okay, and then this is when it starts to get harder.
Also, people always appear in exploration.
If you die, you will respawn. So don't
Yeah.
As long as your partner doesn't die, then you will respawn. And we really recommend you doing it with 2 people, because it's way easier.
Yeah, it will be easier. Oh, man.
As you see, Tap died, but you'll see what happens. And if I die, then it ends.
Okay, for this part, don't press the red button. Maybe not move, but they're still gonna hurt you.
And it increases like how many come every time.
Yeah.
What? Okay.
Where's the egg? Okay,
Yeah, we're gonna respawn soon.
oh, right, here's the hard one.
Yeah, this one is pretty easy. You just gotta keep walking. So once it does that, then it goes the opposite way. So then you're gonna have to go on this side, and then this side, and then you're gonna wanna wait here, because then it's gonna smash you.
I like to smash things.
Then you're gonna do that again, and then it's gonna do it's just gonna do that again and again.
So basically, it's the same pattern every time, unlike the one where you don't have that, like this.
Okay, and as
And when that happens, then you're just gonna go back to from that area.
and Tap's gonna respawn. See, as you can see, Tap
Okay,
respawn.
here comes the guy. Yo, what happened? Are you starting?
Yeah, I did, but I don't know.
Okay, and this is the hard one.
Okay, so now there's gonna be walls and there's lasers on you. And sometimes there'll be like, sometimes, I don't know if that's a glitch, if it's a glitch, but sometimes there'll be no lasers on you. Like right now, well, never mind.
Well, I don't know, they're retargeting us, so make sure you don't get in their they're like society. Hey, or they'll target you. So that's why you have to do quick in this level.
They're not shooting. I don't know why.
So where's that thing? Ah! There's so many lasers. There's so
Okay.
many lasers. No. Oh, this is the hard
And for example, there's none, never mind. So this one gets hard. It's like a pattern.
one.
So you have to move around it the way they spawn.
Alright, we're good, and here comes the boss level.
And you heal every time.
Mr. Shrimp. Hello.
Okay, now it's gonna get
So
harder.
it's basically like the last level, except that you have to use the laser to hit the guy. So you get targeted by it.
See,
And
like,
then they get hit the guy.
you gotta make it, yeah, you have to aim the laser from the turret on the egg. And then,
Alright, it's not me,
and then the people who don't, and then you just want to dodge the other. You want to dodge the egg shots and try to aim. If you have the red one, if you have the turret on you, you have it.
After this, it's gonna start moving around. I'll just tell you that.
Yeah, it starts moving.
And it's gonna start moving. Alright, well then, now he's moving around.
See, now it gets harder. But what I like to do is usually I just go right up. I usually just go right in front of him. For some reason it didn't shoot. See, what I like to do is just go right in front of him, like this.
Alright, I need to No, don't do that. Alright, I'm getting back. Yeah, you can finish him off.
It's not shooting.
Alright.
Okay, they might have fixed it so it does, so you can't do that. No, it's not shooting him. No. Wait, it might be glitched.
Alright, I don't know how to...
Okay. Let's see if it. Okay, never mind. See, and that means we finished it. You get a egg cannon, and you get 3 eggs. Yeah, if we're wrong, correct us in the comments. Pretty sure it's April 16th. Okay, and then next we have if you want to go back, you just press return. Yeah.
Well, just the egg cannon, because the plastic things don't.
Okay, so tap join my team when you're ready.
I'm doing it.
Okay, so
Wait.
this is the egg
Alright.
cannon.
This is the egg cannon. If you use, it's the only cannon you need to ignition and fire yourself. It also
Yes.
turns you into a giant egg. Isn't that fun?
Yeah, you get turned into a giant egg, and if you jump, you can come out. So like sometimes you can launch yourself into other people's place. But
Now I'm going to show you the super secret glitch that I uncovered. Hopefully I can get it. Tron, can you get it? Can you see if you can get it?
sure.
So if you use this glitch, and when you shoot the egg cannon, it goes like right in the middle where you shoot. That will mean if you go out onto the water, it will be invincible.
Yeah.
Now, it won't be invincible.
Well, no, it won't be
for
invincible.
Now,
It won't be invincible. But
tested all.
yeah, it won't be invincible. But we'll show you a clip of us doing it.